You know that sinking feeling when your F-150's power seat refuses to budge and it's stuck way too close to the wheel? Yeah, we've all been there. That little power seat motor controls a lot more comfort than it gets credit for. Ford's F-150, especially the 2009-2014 models, seem to have a reputation for those seat motors going out just as you start feeling attached to the truck. These things don't exactly give you a warning either. It's all or nothing. So you go to the dealer and they drop a $1,000 quote on you for the whole seat assembly. That's some car dealership logic right there. The reality, the replacement motor usually costs less than $80 online, sometimes way less if you don't mind aftermarket. Let's talk tools. A 10mm socket, a Torx bit set, T30 is the magic one here, a flathead screwdriver, and some patience. If you want to avoid shearing your knuckles, a cordless ratchet is a pro move. Saves actual minutes, not seconds. Now, before you do anything, disconnect the battery. Trust me, you don't want the seat activating on you mid-repair or triggering an airbag warning. Static electricity and power seats are not friends. Take 90 seconds and unhook the negative terminal. Start by moving the seat as far forward as it'll go, if it'll even move, then remove the rear mounting bolts. 4 bolts, easy to lose under the carpet. One vanishes and you'll be hunting for it until next Christmas. Tilt the seat back gently. You'll see the seat wiring harness lurking underneath. Unplug it and really pay attention to how the connectors come apart. Ford uses 12 different clips that all look the same but unclip differently. Lift the seat out. It's heavier than it looks, easily 50 to 60 pounds. Work smart, not hard. Lay out an old blanket on your garage floor to save your knees and keep seat fabric safe from grease. You'll thank yourself later when it goes back in. Flip the seat over, and the power seat motor is hiding in a little metallic cradle, usually with 2 or 3 T30 Torx bolts holding it in. This is the moment you realize Ford alternated the bolt direction just to keep us honest. Remove the old motor and take a quick picture of how the cables are routed. If you think you'll just remember, you won't. Trust me. I've played that game. Install the new motor, making sure the cables snap in their proper place. Test the new motor by hooking up the wiring harness and battery, but don't bolt the seat down yet. Watching those gears spin again is what satisfaction looks like. If all's good, reassemble in reverse, torquing those 4 seat bolts to Ford spec. Power seat restored and back in business. $900 saved, and you didn't even need to wait 3 weeks for a dealership appointment. DIY like this doesn't just save money, it saves your sanity and gets you back on the road faster. Pro tip, keep a jar for all the parts. Every time I skip this, something rolls under my workbench and haunts me for months. Plus, you get that little thrill of knowing you fixed it yourself.